Alright, so we're going to play this game I found on a Steam sale for like 79 cents. It's called Blood and Bacon. My understanding is that we're about to play a zombie outbreak of pig proportions. So here we go. I have no idea what the controls are or what we're doing, so here we go. Not the music I expected. Ooh, what the fuck? Okay. Please be patient. Next 7 days are training for the boss battle in 10 days. Okay. Escape key opens a wallet. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, we got cheats.
Hey friend, welcome to my farm. Go outside and take a look. You gotta kill all those creatures out there. I know it seems cruel, but trust me, they need to die.
Okay, so is this like a horde mode? Looks like, okay, it looks like we can come back in here and get weapons. What the fuck? That pig like... Oh shit. Like legitimately exploded. What is... What? He has no head. Can we really... We can clip through the fence. Oh, okay. So the run is you tap shift and it's just either on or off. What? Oh my god. And it's all the way back. Okay.
You did it. I know it doesn't seem fair, but those creatures are taking over, and I really need you to wipe them out.
Day 2. Okay, so I take it that we're gonna have boss battles every 10 days is what they're saying.
I knew this would happen.
What?
Just multiplied overnight. They just came back.
Dude, this guy's spit.
Wall and get out there.
This guy is just spitting everywhere. Huh. This is gonna work real well. My hand's really supporting the front half of this gun. Look at that gun jump. What the? What the heck? Whoa, whoa. These blue ones are getting bigger as they run faster. Okay, go talk to the farmer. Okay. So that's day 2, I take it?
If you didn't notice, there's a couple water pumps out there on the farm. You can drink from them to heal yourself if you get injured.
Oh, now he tells me. Are we gonna... Okay. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna do this.
There's a meat grinder out there if you haven't noticed. It's saved my ass before. Try kicking a few body parts into the front end to get it going. Later on, it'll create all sorts of new pickups
How-
for you. Keep you alive.
How do you kick? Whoa, 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 what the hell? Alright. How do we switch guns? The timer is still going? Are you kidding me? Alright. Guess we can't pause. Where are these water pumps? I don't really know that we need it. Alright, we need to solve this mystery real quick. Oh, so it just gives you bullets? Okay. Alright, we need to identify these frickin' water pumps. Where are they? I do not see a water pump. Alright. Alright. Oh, oh. There it is. That is the slowest fill ever. Okay. Controls, key bindings. Okay. How do we change our friggin' weapons? Pick up flashlights, enemies, sprint, reload, interact, left, right, aim, melee, open wallet. Okay. I still am not seeing switch. Oh, Q. Q is how you switch it. Who programmed that? Okay.
All right. If you learned how to use that meat grinder today, there are other things you need to learn. That one's pretty important.
All right. Day 4. What are we gonna do with that? All right. First off, switch the damn guns. All right. Tell me about
While
that.
you're out there, try and locate that power box. The electric fence should be up and running now. Check it out.
Dude has some of the worst voice acting I've ever heard. Oh, crap. Okay. That was pretty easy. That was an easy day. It's an easy day out on the farm. Taking care of the pigs.
I hope you remember to use that electric fence. I hope you zapped him good.
How long is this guy gonna live? He's been bleeding out of his leg and his chest for 5 days. Do we get any? No, still no new. Okay. What's this? What's the skull? There's one there too. Okay. Anyways.
Here's a secret for you. Try shooting a pig part up in the air. might see something special.
At least the bone ones go up very easy. Yeah, we're not gonna make it. Come on, I'm like right here. Really? Can't get up. Oh. We did it. Barely, but we did it. What's the new weapon?
Okay, I get it. You're just gonna keep aiming that flashlight in my face. Fun, isn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do now, and I made a point of it.
Tomorrow's a day you're not gonna want to miss. And I think it might be a good day to use that grinder.
Day 6. You pick up at the... Okay. Oh, we can't go out there yet. Okay. What? Okay, hold up. Oh, so we... It's like one or the... oh, okay. Okay. Is that it? Just... Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go.
Well, I guess you deserve this. I put explosive ammo in all the weapons today. Time for some revenge. Rambo style.
All right. Whoa, my gosh. Where is he? There he is. Dude, this is ridiculous. How did... Jump the grinder. Dude, this is ridiculous. Is this like... Didn't even have to reload. I'm alright with that.
How was that for some fun? Huh. It's days like these that I can almost forget about this pitchfork in my gut.
Alright, here we go. Day 7. Day 7. Let's see what we got.
There's more than one way to kill those creatures out there. You can melee them in the side of the head and knock them out cold. You can blow them up. You can zap them with that fence. You got a lot of options. Try some.
I have been. I've been trying lots of options. All of them. Hi.
What are you playing?
This game is called Blood and Bacon, and it's about a zombie outbreak of pigs. Oh crap! I'm almost dead. On a farm.
Do they mean penises? Shoot or kick small parts? Oh. So, like, if you get bit, do you become a zombie? Or do you become a pig?
I'm having trouble hearing you since I have the headphones. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh,
I don't want to scare you.
save that guy.
Here.
I think things are going to get a little bit
Listen to how bad this guy is.
So don't start crying.
Is that not some of the worst voiceover you've ever heard in your life? Yeah, and this music does not fit at all.
I like it. What's that guy? Oh, is he... You're gonna shoot him?
He's been there for 8 days like that. And watch, sometimes when you talk to him, he'll just start spitting.
You got skills.
Okay, he's not doing it this time, but...
He just...
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh my god, he
I
just...
could go on and talk all about myself.
He just said blah, blah, blah.
Job.
just
like
said-
blah, 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 just you
Yeah.
know what to do.
No, he just said blah, blah, blah. I could tell you all about my skills, but you better get out there and...
Yeah, I've seen your skills to live for 8 days. While with a pitchfork missing a
Oh my
leg.
god.
Oh my gosh, they stirred him. Oh, he's gonna come right at me with...
What?
Okay, there's the electric fence. Flip that. What? Okay, we need to get to this grinder. Wait, oh my God. Take the
Why
back.
are they so big?
I don't know. It's wild. Okay, run across the map. Run across the map. Hopefully, don't get hit. Run across the map. Run across the map.
I can't take this seriously. Oh my gosh.
Can we get him? No shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Shit. We are out of ammo. All right. Yeah, sliding into first.
Get Pumbaa.
Hit Pumbaa.
Oh.
I know, right? Like,
Well, I mean, with the name of Blood and Bacon, you cannot pass up on the blood, right?
exactly.
What's
Dude.
that? Oh shit.
You can get like, oh fuck.
Babe, you're dying.
I can see that.
Babe.
We are not gonna make it past day 8. These fuckers. What was that? He like had no
This
back
makes
half.
me want to give up being kosher.
This makes me,
What? What is eating you?
this makes me want to quote Samuel.
Oh, you're
Jackson
just
lines.
you're like so dead that you're just yeah. You died.
Yep. So we made. There was one enemy left.
Oh, suck. Open wallet to restart. Does it restart you all the way to the beginning or?
I don't know. We might stop here, but okay, no, we can restart the level. Okay, here's what we're gonna
You
do.
can do a free roam too, is what it said. MMB, I think is what it said. Hold on, I don't know. Give it a second.
Look at the gun twitching. Look at the... Oh,
Oh, it's because you were moving your... Oh, it wasn't. Oh, I hope I didn't just burp into the microphone.
All right, so...
What? You just turned a flashlight on inside the fucking pig?
Apparently we're not dead.
Oh, my club.
Apparently we are not dead.
Wait, can you do stuff then? Like, can you, like, kick it?
Hold on.
Day 30.
What
Fuck.
the hell? Dude, that's ridiculous. Now, I could see playing with a bunch of people that this might be possible. Okay.
No, this game's awesome. I'll play it. Like, I'll gladly play it.
Okay. We're set. Next time we'll do another one of these and we're going to play it on easy. But for
Wait,
now...
you were playing it on hard?
No, we were playing it on normal.
Oh.
So, all right. We'll call it that.
Wait. Before you quit,
Okay.
can we all just appreciate how the guy at the bottom, when you turn into a zombie, kind of looks like a fucked up Joker?
It looks like somewhere a mix between a fucked up Joker and the Doom guy.
And it kind of looks like whoever's on the dime. Who's on the dime?
I feel so stupid. Thanks for that. Comment below if you know who's on the dime. We're so dumb. All right. Later.